Today we are looking at dead and extinct animals scientists are close to reviving. Saber-toothed tiger. Similar to modern-day big cats, saber-toothed tigers lived around North and South America before disappearing around 11,000 years ago. One of the biggest predators to walk the face of Earth, they grew up to 13 feet and weigh around 300 to 600 pounds. That was before their extinction due to weather conditions and hunting by humans. Carolina parakeet. Once native to North America, this bird was relentlessly hunted by poachers for its stunning feathers used for making hats. By 1939, the species went into full extinction. In recent times, scientists are attempting to revive the bird with DNA extracted from eggshells. Still, the big question remains whether history will repeat itself once the bird is revived. Neanderthals. Perhaps the most interesting species scientists are working to revive is our long-lost cousins, the Neanderthals. While we all evolved from a common ancestor, they went extinct around 40,000 years ago. While scientists already have its genus, there is still the concern of whether it is ethical to resurrect a subspecies of humans for research purposes. Gastric brooding frog. The gastric brooding frog, native to Queensland, Australia, was known for its extraordinary method of incubation. After the eggs were externally laid and fertilized by the male, the female would swallow them and incubate them in her stomach. Extinct since the mid-1980s, scientists now aim to revive it by implanting its cell nucleus into modern frogs. Megalodon. While it is still doubtful whether this is true, especially because of the danger such an experiment will pose to whales and other species of sea creatures which are fast becoming extinct, scientists might be attempting to revive the megalodon, an extinct species of mackerel shark which explored the sea millions of years ago. Woolly mammoth. The woolly mammoth, a predecessor of today's elephants, became extinct around 1650 BCE. Now, it tops the list for de-extinction efforts by scientists. Reintroducing the woolly mammoth is hoped to aid in reversing global warming's damage, and while the methods of this de-extinction remain uncertain, some claim this revival could happen as early as 2027. T-Rex. The reason why there would be attempts to resurrect one of the deadliest late Cretaceous predators remain unclear. These dinosaurs existed millions of years ago and likely went extinct due to asteroid impacts. Weighing between 11,000 and 15,000 pounds, they reached up to 40 feet in length and 12 feet in height. The quagga. A subspecies of modern-day zebras, this animal roamed the southern parts of Africa before vanishing in the late 1880s. It was hunted to extinction in the wild, and the last specimen died in 1883 in the Amsterdam Zoo. But recently, efforts have been doubled to bring back this extinct animal back to life by selective breeding. The megalania. A colossal lizard which lived in southern Australia. They existed around 50,000 years ago, until approximately 11,000 years ago. Weighing 575 kilograms and standing 5.5 meters tall, it possibly faced extinction due to early Australian Aboriginal settlers. Yet, ongoing scientific efforts are focused on reviving this extinct species. Thylacine. The largest carnivorous marsupial ever documented, the thylacine bore a striking resemblance to a wolf and disappeared from the mainland 3,000 years ago. Few survived on a Tasmanian island until hunted to extinction in the late 20th century. In 2008, Melbourne University researchers cultivated sizable embryos from preserved DNA, raising hopes for thylacine restoration. Siberian unicorn. While this creature shared the striking feature of a large pointed horn with the mystical creature, the unicorn, it was more like a rhino than its fictitious comrade. Reviving the species, which went extinct about 36,000 years ago, remains a challenge due to insufficient DNA found in fossils, yet scientists persistently double their efforts to achieve this goal. Dodo bird. After encountering humans in the 1590s, the dodo bird suffered extinction in the hands of human hunters. Standing slightly over 3 feet tall and weighing around 39 pounds, their size made them easy prey. In recent times, by gathering DNA samples and implanting them in their close relative pigeons, scientists hope to bring back these birds.